Good morning, Dan. It's had a positive influence on the rand, and we see that change happening round about mid-afternoon as soon as that 14.7 billion rand, the news of that was digested. You saw the rand strengthening, but I just want to take you through some of those currencies very quickly. And one of the biggest reasons for the rand being volatile, Dan, over the past few months was because of the US dollar. And we said this time and time again on the show that the US dollar was strengthening the moment it seemed as though the US economy was taking off. When that happened, all emerging market currencies, including the rand, were affected. And of course, the trade wars did their part to actually make this currency volatile. But as I said a few moments ago, when this Chinese announcement was mentioned, that was actually seen in a positive light, and the rand then strengthening about 10 cents really after that announcement. 13.25 now to the US dollar, 15.49 to the euro, 17.43 to the British pound. So what does all of this mean for the markets? Well, let's just take a very quick look at the JSE and see how it closed yesterday. The mood was up globally. And sentiment for investors was in a positive light, so the JSE joining other world markets in a buoyant sense, and also rising around about just under 1% the all share. Industrials also doing well, financials 1.2% at the end of the day. But how does the Chinese and the BRICS affect the JSE? Well, yesterday the Chinese government saying that they will put a lot of money or invest in their infrastructure, especially around mining. When that happens, you'll find that our mining stocks, for example, will rise. And yesterday, we've seen the platinum and gold miners, resources in general, lifting up the JSE. So there is indeed a connection between what is said on the BRICS front and the related sentiment on our JSE. We look forward to see what happens with this JSE when it opens up at 9 o'clock this morning.
Thank you very much, Devan. There's good news, at least for the markets.
I'd like to see the difference between today and tomorrow morning this
But
time.
the difference between yesterday and today is also good so far.